Hello guys, nakikita nyo ba itong nakikita ko? Look at this big mushroom. This morning is only like the, and now when I get home, ganito na siya kalaki guys. So para na siyang ano, plate. Bigger than my hands now. Hinayaan lang namin. Tingnan natin kung lalaki pa to. It's very unique mushroom. Right, babe? Yeah. One day I saw like very tiny, and then the next day it's like a little round ball, and then it get big. Now it's like a plate. Maybe we'll leave it alone. See how big it will grow, right? Yeah, this is really cool. I never seen this one before.
Someone's gotta know what it is.
Wow, this is really unique, guys. We don't want to remove it because we just want to see how, you know, if it, kung lalaki pa ba siya ba? Kung lalaki pa. Ayan oh. Yung pinaka-ano niya, mababa lang. Ayan oh. Tapos, ito, ang galing talaga tingnan. Pero nag-iisa lang. Siguro marami to, pero na ano siguro niya. Na mo siguro niya. Kaya nakakatuwa lang. Siguro kung makain to siya guys, it's a big meal already. If we can eat this is like a big meal. Right, babe?
Yep.
Let's see what's at the bottom of this. Iwan ko kung anong itsura sa ilalim. Ayaw ko kasing tanggalin muna. Ayan oh. Ganyan yung sa ilalim niya. Parang kulay na rin ng dito sa taas. So ganyan lang siya guys. Nakakatuwa talaga tingnan. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito kalaking mushroom. Hulaan nyo to guys. Ano kayang pangalan nito? Basta ang laki niya oh. Ayan, my hands. And then I'll put here. It's bigger than my hands. Wow. You know how many inches? Can you, like how many?
Like
5?
I'd say about 8 inches.
Around like 8 inches?
I'd say so.
No?
More, wait,
Maybe
no,
7?
definitely.
It's really big.
Yeah, it's just more than, I think it's about 8. More, way over 6.
Way over 6. Yeah. That's how big it is, guys. See? It's bigger than my hands. This is really cool. It looks like a plate. It surprised us when we get home. This is really cool. Pero mababa lang talaga yung pinakapuno niya, oh. Yan. So kung merong ano dito, para na siyang payong. Kung merong bird dito mag-ano, oh. This is a good cover for the bird. They can come here and right? Yeah, it's like a shade already. This is so neat. Nakakatuwa talaga guys. Ngayon lang talaga ako na ano nito. Ayaw kong tanggalin kasi ano, titingnan namin kung gaano pa, kung lalaki pa ba to, kung hanggang kailan yung ano niya ba, kung magi-expand pa ba to. Kasi kanina umaga ganun lang yan oh, ganyan round yan. Tapos dito biglang ano oh, nag-open para siyang umbrella. Wow. Pero syempre hindi natin kainin yan kasi di natin alam yan. So natutuwa lang talaga ako. Ayan, pwede na tayong magsilong dito. Ganyan lang guys. Ha? Ayan. Thank you guys for watching.